Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. Today on the show, I'm going to be doing something completely different from the usual, as I'm going to be cooking on this. What is this exactly? Well, this is a Candlelight tabletop raclette grill. I discovered this cute little device when I was in Switzerland pre-pandemic. When I was out hiking, I noticed a lot of the locals would stop and rest and pull this little device out of their bag. And I noticed they'd always melt some cheese and put it over bread as a snack. I thought that was really amazing, and when I found out what it was, I knew I had to get one for myself and bring it home. So today on the channel, I'm going to demonstrate how exactly to use this cute little grill and the results that it can produce. You definitely want to check this out. And once again, here is the tabletop Candlelight raclette grill. I picked this up in Switzerland, but it is available on Amazon. I left a link in the description below. This set comes with a plastic spatula, which you will use to scrape melted cheese off of the grill. There is also a flip-out handle that is attached to the non-stick cooking surface. When you lift and remove, you'll see 4 tea lights inside. Amazingly enough, these tea lights are all you need to operate the grill. I've used this a few times and you'll see there is a little bit of pitting in the non-stick surface. So I will admit this is probably not the most high quality set that you can find. That said, it is fun to use, and to start it up, just simply light your candles and tea lights inside. I am demonstrating this cute little grill outside today, but unlike most grills, this one actually is safe to use indoors if you choose, or if it's too windy for you to use outside. Anyways, now that my candles are lit, I'm going to replace my cooktop, and just like a normal grill, I'm going to let this preheat for about 10 minutes. After a little bit of preheating time, it's time to bring in the cheese. This is Swiss raclette cheese, and the beauty about this is it's actually pre-sliced to fit perfectly on this grill. Surprisingly, you can find this in some grocery stores, but here in the US, it is a bit of a seasonal product. I can only find this in the fall and winter. Now here is the amazing thing. After about 7 to 10 minutes, you'll start to see your cheese melt and bubble, and when this happens, your raclette is ready. So let's pull this skillet off of our Candlelight grill and assemble our delicious snack. You'll want a nice rustic bread for this. Today I am using a French baguette. Now this dish is basically reverse fondue, so we take our melted cheese and place it on top of our bread. It's actually only about 40 degrees Fahrenheit outside today, so this cheese, even though it was gooey on the grill, is already starting to harden a little bit. But don't worry, it will still be absolutely delicious. Next up, let's add some seasonings. The Swiss I encountered often use cayenne pepper, so I'm adding a little bit of cayenne pepper. Some freshly cracked black pepper will be great as well. And finally, I'm going to balance this out with a couple of slices of shaved prosciutto. The saltiness of the prosciutto really balances out the richness and nuttiness of the raclette cheese. So there you go. That is a nice little snack that you can make on a tabletop Candlelight raclette grill. Like I said before, it is basically a reverse fondue. I mean, melted cheese on bread with salted cured meats? You cannot go wrong. This little snack definitely takes me back to the Bernese Oberland. Once again, if you're interested in checking out this product or potentially purchasing it for yourself or as a gift, click the link in my description below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back again next week with a regular Weber Q grilling video. See ya!